Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Jeep Cherokee in a Trailhawk trim and powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. Let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area with a cargo cover, so you can cover up your belongings. And underneath this cover, you have your full-size spare with some extra compartments around it. You have a 12-volt power outlet, and then you can close this again with another simple press of a button. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a nice full leather interior, fold-out armrests, and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having two USBs and a 115-volt power outlet there. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 58,229 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, and on the left you have your hands-free phone controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, vehicle info, so you have like stats and certain service information. You have your driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, trip information, stop start status, audio, so now playing, messages such as warnings, screen setup in general, and then back to your speedometer. Moving on to your center, actually you do also have your radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel, as you can see. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB. So you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, and then your seat controls, because you do have heated and air conditioned front seats with a heated steering wheel. Then you have your app screen, where you have basically all of your controls in one spot. Navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Bluetooth phone controls, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And then above that, you have this little compartment. You can put some stuff in there. Moving down, you have your park assist. So park sense, active park sense, park assist sensor shut off, hazards, and your lane keeping system. Then you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, again with dual zone front climate, but you also have your traction control shut off and your auto start stop shut off. Down below that, you have that little cubby. You have USB and auxiliary, as well as a 12 volt, so you can plug in your audio or something to power or charge. Then you have your four-wheel drive controls here. You have a locking rear differential, cruise control for rougher terrain, hill descent assist, and your 4 low, as well as turning this knob to go through your terrain modes such as snow, sports, sand, mud, and rock, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, two cup holders, and your two-tiered center compartment / armrest, which does have another 12 volt and USB inside, so you can plug something in from there too. Then last but not least, you do have a panoramic moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.